The potential of AI in archaeology offers us a glimpse into the past that we've never had before. This technology is more than a tool. It's a key to understanding our ancestors' thoughts, dreams, and fears. Each successful deciphering brings humanity one step closer to knowing who we were. With unresolved mysteries still lingering, the journey through ancient languages is only beginning, and the discoveries awaiting us can reshape our understanding of history. As we unearth forgotten stories, we must ask ourselves, what will we learn about ourselves in the process? Ultimately, the quest continues, and the past beckons for revelation. In this era of rapid technological advancement, the collaboration between AI and historians is not just palpable, it's transformative. As we deepen our exploration of forgotten civilizations, we uncover rich tapestries woven with humanity's triumphs and tragedies, providing vital context for modern societal challenges. Each script decoded acts as a bridge, connecting us to long-lost voices that can illuminate our contemporary understanding. The fate of these ancient languages lies in our hands, and it is our collective responsibility to advocate for preservation and discovery. By harnessing the power of AI, we hold the potential to awaken echoes from the depths of time, ensuring that the wisdom of our forebears is never forgotten. But this journey through the annals of time isn't just an academic exercise, it's a call to action for all of us. As we stand at the precipice of this technological age, we have an incredible opportunity to not only reclaim lost knowledge but also to appreciate the complexities of human existence across eons. Each text we decipher, every script we understand, reminds us of the resilience and creativity inherent in every culture. In this sense, AI serves not just as a tool for excavation but as a guardian of humanity's collective memory, propelling us forward while keeping us grounded in our past. Embracing this journey means embracing the very essence of being human, our capacity to learn, adapt, and grow from the stories of those who have come before us. So let us continue this exploration, united in our curiosity, and inspired by the lessons hidden in the sands of time. As we delve deeper into these ancient scripts and languages, each revelation becomes a reminder of our shared ancestry, interwoven with threads of mystery and knowledge. With AI by our side, we're not just unlocking forgotten doors, we're embarking on a journey to rediscover the essence of what it means to be human. The lost civilizations, with their unique languages and cultural nuances, beckon us to listen closely. Each deciphered word doesn't merely fill a void, it illuminates a path to understanding, offering insights into the complexities of our past that continue to resonate in today's world. In this remarkable collaboration between technology and humanity, we find the power to bring ancient voices to life once more. But as we venture into this realm of discovery, we must proceed with caution. Each new translation holds potential for both enlightenment and misinterpretation, reminding us that the narratives of the past are often layered with complexity and nuance. While AI can analyze patterns and suggest meanings, the human element remains crucial in interpreting context and deriving significance from these ancient texts. It's a delicate dance between technological capability and historical understanding, and together they create a richer tapestry of knowledge that can redefine our cultural landscape. This partnership opens doors to questions that challenge our assumptions about history and encourages a more inclusive exploration of multiple perspectives that encompass the breadth of human experience across time. In a world where technology continually transforms our capabilities, the fusion of AI and archaeology can elevate our understanding of ancient civilizations like never before. Imagine uncovering languages that once shaped societies and held wisdom lost to time. Yet, this raises profound questions. Can we adequately interpret the insights AI provides without losing the essence of those cultures? Each deciphered language not only contributes to historical knowledge but also invites us to reflect on the broader implications of our discoveries. As we forge ahead, balancing innovation with reverence for the past becomes crucial in ensuring that we honor the complex narratives of those who came before us. In this delicate balance, we might just find the truth that the past has been yearning to share. As we navigate this exciting landscape of historical inquiry, we must remember that the past isn't merely a collection of facts but a vibrant tapestry woven from the lives, aspirations, and struggles of countless individuals. Each script, each symbol tells a story, a fragment of the human experience that transcends time and space. With the partnership of AI, we are not just peering into ancient times, we are reviving connections to our ancestors who shaped the world in profound ways. This journey calls for not just curiosity but also humility as we engage with their legacies, seeking to understand them on their own terms while recognizing the wisdom they can impart to us today. Together, we stand at the forefront of a historical renaissance, ready to unlock the true essence of what it means to be human. In this context, it's imperative to recognize that the unfolding relationship between AI and archaeology transcends mere technical application. It's a profound collaboration that promises to reshape our very understanding of human history. As we delve into complex scripts and ancient languages, we must also foster a dialogue that connects the past with the present, igniting a sense of shared humanity that spans generations. We are not just uncovering relics, we are weaving together the narratives of our ancestors, allowing their insights and wisdom to enrich our contemporary journey. In this relentless pursuit of knowledge, we forge a legacy that honors those who came before us, rekindling their voices in a world eager to listen. Each discovery serves as a reminder. History is not a distant memory but a living, breathing entity that informs our identity and collective future. So, as we continue this monumental task, let's remain vigilant, empathetic, and united in our quest to unlock the secrets that history holds, ensuring no voice is left behind in the echoes of time. As we stand on the cusp of this extraordinary era, the challenge ahead isn't simply to decode languages but also to embrace the implications of what we uncover. Every ancient script holds the potential to reshape our understanding of human connection, culture, and existence. It beckons us to reflect on our own narratives, revealing a treasure trove of experiences that resonate with both the triumphs and tragedies of humanity. In this profound journey, we not only rediscover lost voices but also redefine our relationship with the past, illuminating the paths that brought us here. Together, we will strive to ensure that these stories are celebrated, protecting the intricacies of human history that echo through time, and allowing them to guide us toward a more inclusive future. As we continue this quest, let us remember that behind each text lies not only ancient knowledge but also an invitation to explore what it means to be human. Our understanding of history evolves with each deciphered script, challenging our perceptions and fostering a deeper appreciation for the diverse threads of our shared past. Embracing this journey requires more than curiosity. It necessitates a commitment to preserving the legacies we uncover, ensuring they illuminate future generations. So together, armed with technology and driven by a passion for discovery, let's honor the voices of the past and weave them into the fabric of our contemporary narrative, celebrating the richness of human experience that transcends time. However, we must also acknowledge the ethical considerations tied to this technology and its interpretations. As AI begins to reveal lost languages and narratives, we face the responsibility of ensuring that these discoveries do not distort or misrepresent ancient cultures. Appropriate caution must guide our journey, acknowledging the weight of history while celebrating these revelations. In this evolving landscape, we stand as custodians of the knowledge we unearth, tasked with sharing these stories with respect and integrity. As we harness AI's power to breathe life into forgotten scripts, let us approach this work with the humility required to honor those from whom we learn, ensuring their voices are echoed faithfully across generations. As this remarkable partnership between AI and archaeology unfolds, we stand at a pivotal moment where ethics and discovery intersect. Engaging in this endeavor requires a balance between innovation and reverence for the cultures we seek to understand. It reminds us of the delicate nature of historical interpretation, urging critics and scholars alike to tread thoughtfully. Moving forward, our collective journey grows not only in knowledge but also in responsibility. Together, we can ensure that the past informs our future while honoring the stories of those who shaped our world. This is our opportunity to ensure that the whispers of history resonate clearly for generations yet to come. The technological advancements we're witnessing are not just game changers, they are powerful reminders that our exploration of ancient scripts is profoundly tied to our essence as a species. With each layer we peel back, new narratives emerge that both challenge and inspire us. As we harness AI's capabilities, we must remain committed to ethical considerations, ensuring accuracy and respect as we decode the voices of our ancestors. The mysteries of the past are an invitation to celebrate human resilience and creativity, proving that even ancient words can spark profound connections in today's world. Thus, we embark on this journey not merely to retrieve lost information but to redefine our understanding of humanity itself, fostering a greater appreciation for the diverse stories that shape our collective legacy. As we unearth these long-dormant voices, we must also prioritize the very essence of historical integrity. Balancing technological prowess with ethical responsibility is crucial, ensuring the narratives we unveil are handled with care and respect. This partnership between AI and humanity not only has the power to illuminate forgotten histories but also invites us to engage in a dialogue about the complexities of our existence. Each new revelation serves not just as a mirror reflecting the past but as a guiding light, shaping our understanding of who we are and what we hold sacred in this ever-evolving tapestry of life. In this remarkable quest for knowledge, we embrace the past, allowing its lessons to shape our present and future. Together, as stewards of history, we will continue to explore, decode, and appreciate the intricate stories that define humanity, ensuring that no voice is lost to time's relentless march.